guys, so this is your girl Crown Me Rastador. So in this video I am going to be putting Laura Mercier's translucent powder up against Laura Mercier's translucent honey powder. I obviously already have it on, so can you guys tell which side is which? Which side is the translucent and which side is the honey side? Well, if you are interested to find out which side is which side I prefer, and if I think that it is worth spending that coin on, in addition to seeing me try out a couple new products as well, please stay tuned. Hit that subscribe button if you are not yet subscribed to me. I do hair videos, makeup videos, weekly vlogs. I just, oh girl, okay? So definitely hit the subscribe button if you're, you feeling a girl, you feeling my personality, you feeling it. Definitely hit the subscribe button. All my subbies that are already subscribed to me, mwah, you guys already know the love is real. And without further ado, let's jump into this video. So first off, you guys know that I'm a skincare junkie. Okay, skincare is the new palette. So I am trying out these Kate Somerville products. I already have it on my face. First, I went in with the Kate Somerville Exfoliate Intensive Exfoliating Treatment. I also went in with the Kate Somerville Exfoliate Glow Moisturizer, which I have on my face already. So your girl is cleansed and moisturized and ready for the day, period. So first product I received in a BoxyCharm probably a couple months ago, but I've never really given it a real try. And that is the Kat Von D 24 Hour Super Brow Long Wear Pomade in the color Dark Brown. You guys, so brows are complete. Let me go ahead and prime my eyelids. The Makeup Revolution Prime and Lock Long Wear Eyeshadow Primer. I've been using this a lot. I'm going to start off with Instaworthy. Ooh, giving me a little fallout action here, honey. Let me tap my brush. I'm just gonna blend this up into my crease because it's not as dark as I would have liked it to be. In the palette, it's given more brown rust, if you guys can tell. But on me, honey, it's giving peach. So let's go into Turn It Up, that brighter coral color. Honey. Oh boy, this is not really giving what I wanted it to give either, so I'm gonna have to go in with the brown. Now I'm gonna take Photo Op, this kind of skin tone color, and attempt to blend these edges out because it's giving ashy, and it's still giving ashy. Girl, man, why is the browns looking peach? I don't understand. I don't want peach. If I wanted peach, I would have went into peach. Go into this shade, and this is definitely brown. So if this brown is not brown, I don't know. Oh, I don't know what to say. Ugh. I don't know if this is a good idea, guys, but I'm gonna go into Utopia, this greenish kind of reflective color. After all of that, it just looks gold on your lid. Well, on my lid, I don't know. These colors is not coming up on me the way they come up in the palette, so. Alright, you guys, finally I am finished with the eye makeup. That palette, I don't know, the colors was not coming out on my eyes the way they were looking in the palette, so it made it quite difficult. It's not, I was not a fan. So today I'm going to be trying out this Professional. This is actually a tester. This is the Pearl Primer by Benefit. Smells kind of like rose or something. It has like a pink tint to it. What is the difference between this one and the original one? So this one is supposed to brighten as well as reduce the look of pores. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my foundation and my concealer, and then we'll get back to try out these bad boys. Alright, you guys, so the time has come. I'm going to go ahead and use the original translucent powder on this side of my eye. Alright, you guys, so this is the original powder. I like the original powder as well. So let's see what Honey's talking about. So this is the translucent Honey. Can you guys see the color difference? Yeah, I think you guys can see it. This one is clearly a lot more like yellow toned, and this one is a lot more white. And you guys gonna tell me what's tea? Hey guys, what do you guys think? Both have a beautiful finish, of course, but can you guys really see a difference? I don't really see a difference, to be honest. Let me low down my light a little bit. Okay, there we go. A little. Low down the light. This is Honey side. Translucent side. Translucent side. Honey side. I'm gonna finish off the rest of my face and then we're gonna talk about it, because at this point I'm finding it very, very difficult to see a difference. If you want to know what products I'm using, I'll link my detailed makeup video down below, but in this video I'm just gonna quickly finish up the face. Alright, you guys, so I have completed my makeup. You guys remember, this side has the translucent, this side has the honey, and to be honest, I absolutely love both of the powders. My question is, do you need it? If you already have the translucent powder, do you need the honey powder? To be honest, to be 100% honest, I don't think so. If you have translucent at home and you're my skin complexion, I will wait until my translucent runs out, and you know these bad boys takes months to run out, so I'm pretty much stocked up for like the next 2 years in translucent powder, because these things take forever to run out. Okay, so if you already have translucent at home, honey, I really don't see the purpose, if you are my skin tone, to go get the honey, because I just don't see that drastic of a difference. I just don't see it. I'm actually gonna, let me do a little flash photography real quick. Okay, let's see. I don't see a difference. Let me go outside. Let's get some natural lighting. I'll be back. Alright, you guys, so I am here trying out this makeup in natural lighting. On this side is the translucent powder, and on this side is the translucent honey side. So can we tell a difference? Is there a difference, honey? I can't really tell in this lighting because the sun is kind of in my eyes, but I will definitely go back inside and look at this footage and see what I think, because the girls want to know. The girls want to know. I want to know. The boys maybe even want to know. Okay, like which one is it, Laura? Translucent honey. So I just looked back at my video from what I just took outside in the sun. You guys, alright. Outside in the sun, I do see a slight powdery, slight whitish look, and this side looks a lot more seamless. So I guess there is a difference. So this is what I would say. if you're like my complexion and darker, you can definitely benefit from the honey, especially if you're darker than me. After looking at the footage from outside, I do see a little bit of a difference. The honey definitely blends in with my skin a lot more. The translucent does have a little bit of a, not necessarily a brightness, more so a whiteness. But if you already have the translucent powder, I would say finish it up. Make it do what it do. Make it work. If you're like my complexion or lighter, get the honey when you're finished, okay? It's no need to run out and buy it and have 2 of them at home. If you're trying to figure out which one you should get, I would probably do the honey, just because to me it just blends in better with our skin tone and it's just a little bit more suited for our skin tone. So yeah, overall I'll definitely give it to the honey. It was touch and go there for a minute, but I'm gonna give it to the honey. All right, so you guys, that is gonna complete this video. I am happy though that a lot of these brands are starting to make having multiple shades and multiple products that go well with various skin tones a priority, because I don't feel like that was a priority a couple years ago, and it's still not a priority in some brands. So kudos to the brands that are trying to make a difference and make products that are well suited for us, because that was a little crazy looking back at the video that I took outside, because without having it up against each other, I really would not have been able to tell the difference. But having it up against each other and in the natural light, I was definitely like, oh, okay, yeah, I see what y'all did there, Laura. I see what y'all did there, okay? So pretty much, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. That is gonna wrap this one up. Please hit the subscribe button if you have not done so as yet. Please like my videos, guys. I really appreciate it when you guys like the videos, and comment down below. Those things really help your girl out. And I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah.